Hello friends, welcome to this session, and in this session we have to write the code for this swap function. In order to solve this problem, the first task is to have the logic for swapping two numbers. So let's suppose your first number is 2, second number is 3, and your task is to swap the value of A and B. It means you can perform few operations here. But after those operations, if you print the value of A, it should print 3, and for B it should print 2. Means the value of A and B should be swapped. And it's important to note that it should not only work for 2 and 3, it should work for any number. You need to write a generalized code which can work in every possible situation. So take your time and play with these. You can have any statement here, but I want this output. I can give one hint to you. You need to use third variable in order to perform this task. You are free to create another variable to perform data swapping. Take your time. You can pause the video at this point. Solve this on your own. Okay, so let's solve this. So as I discussed, we can create another variable. So let's create another variable temp, and in this variable temp you can store the value of first variable. So let's give better name to explain my point. So first variable is 223, second variable is 33. I'm creating another variable temp, and in this temp I can copy the old value of first. So I can write here, this is my old value of first. So now first is free, and I have already stored the old value of first, so I can update first with the value of second. So now at this point my first is updated with 33, and now I can update the value of second. So at this point I cannot write second is equal to first because first is already updated to 33, but I have already stored this old value in my temp, so I can use this and write it here. It's important to note I can't write second equal to first because at this point the value of first is 33, so it will not solve my purpose. I need 223 which is there in temp, so that's why I'm using temp. So after this swap I can cross check by printing the value of first and second. So let's run this. So you can see that the value of first is now 33 and second is 223. So we solve this, and now you can extend this logic for this swap function. So if you are still struggling with the solution of this problem, you can take hint from this and try to solve this. You can pause the video at this point. Otherwise, keep on watching. Okay, so let's define swap function. I'm taking data and I have to swap the data at index I with data at index j. The problem statement look like this. I need to swap the value at data I, this is my index value for I, with data at index value j. So this is my first variable, this will be my second variable, and I just need to swap this. So I already have a code to swap first and second. I'm taking the value at data I, storing this in my temp. So here temp is holding the old value of data I, and after this I can update my data I with data j, and now it's time to update data j with temp. So yeah, the task is over, and after this you can return your updated list, that is data. So let's call this function with index value 2 and 3. So you can see after this, you can see this 5 2 has been swapped. Solve this. Let's do this for 1 and 3. So run this. So 1 is 45, 3 is 2, so 2 and 45 swapped values. So yes, So we have solved our problem statement. So this is all about swapping, and in next session we will be starting with the new topic, that is dictionary. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.